Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. If you can see right behind me, I have a little bit of a Chanel beauty haul from the holiday collection that I'm excited to share with you. In my last video about Chanel holiday beauty, we talked about all of the gift sets, and I did pick up a couple more gift sets plus some other fun goodies. I've also got a fun Vivaia unboxing for you in a bit, as well as a discount code. So let's get started. Starting off with this year's holiday packaging. This year, you are going to have an option of either a dark blue or a white wrapping paper, and it's gonna have the same pattern on it, just a different color. And look how beautiful this ribbon is. It's got like a frayed edge and then Chanel in gold. It has some sparkle to it. It's really, really pretty. So if you have any gifts that you want to wrap, make sure you get them wrapped because it's absolutely beautiful this year. And then this is one of the charms this year. So there are 2 charms available. In my Chanel boutique, they had this one in stock. There's also a camellia one. It is going to be just like the zipper pull on the gift set. That's basically the 2 charms for this year. If you shop online, you have the option, hopefully by the time this video goes up, you still have that option, but if you shop online, there is an option at checkout to select gift wrapping, and then you get to choose a charm if you would like one. That gift wrapping is going to be a little bit different than the gift wrapping that I showed you. It's going to be like a gift bag. It's still really cute, and it has the pattern of the gift set, so it'll be just like this but a little gift bag form. First thing that I picked up is another gift set, and this is going to be the gloss up gift set. Of course, it comes in the beautiful blue pouch, just like the Amplified Gaze one that I showed you last time. This is going to come with 3 lip glosses. Now, when I originally did this video on the gift sets, I was told that one of the colors was a different color than it actually ended up being. So I want to go ahead and kind of like review those so that you know exactly which colors you're getting, because this is like the most popular gift set out of all of them. So you're going to get 3 colors, and they are Bourgeoisie, Icing, and Melted Honey. These 2 are good toppers. This one has a little bit more pigment to it. This is one of my favorite Chanel lip glosses, and I often wear it on its own. So if you're looking for one that kind of, you know, packs a punch, maybe you don't necessarily have lipstick, this is a really good one. And again, this is called Bourgeoisie. So then the next lip gloss that comes in the set is Melted Honey. Now, this is just like a little gold sparkle, and it is pretty as a lip gloss topper. Let's see if you can really see it. It does have like a gold tone to it, but it's quite light. So if you want a little sparkle to your natural lips and that works for you, this could be an option, but I really like it on top of a lipstick. I think that's pretty. And then finally, the 3rd color is Icing. Now, this is just a very frosty light pink. Again, something that I would probably use as a topper as well, because there's not a whole lot of pigment to it. Just very light. So that is the Gloss Up gift set. Again, one of the most popular gift sets every single year. This usually sells out first. If you're looking for a gift for somebody, this is always a really good hit. I did buy another gift set, but I think I want to show you guys the shoes that I picked up from Vivaia. I have some shoes from Vivaia that they have kindly sent to me, and I'm going to go ahead and put my discount code below on the screen because they have sent me a discount code for you guys for 10% off. And first up, I wanted to pick up some very sleek sneakers. They are completely on trend for fall, just some lightweight sneakers. Somebody was saying that it was kind of like what everybody was running around in during Fashion Week in Paris. And these are called the Yancy. Now, these have been seen on Bella Hadid, and they are really on trend for the sneakerina. They come with 2 different sets of shoelaces for that purpose exactly. So if you want to have like the ballet shoelace, they have these really pretty ones here, but then they also have like a regular shoelace if you want like a little bit more of a sportier look. These are super lightweight and foldable, and you know, they just really pack easily for, you know, if you're going on a trip or something. And like I love to go to New York a lot, and something like this is just perfect because, again, it's very foldable, it's very lightweight. You can walk around in it, very comfortable. And because they are so lightweight, they do have a slimming effect on your feet compared to a chunkier sneaker. So if you're looking for that sleek sneaker look, these are a perfect option. They're also machine washable. So if you live in a city and you walk around and it's gross, you can just throw them in the washing machine, and I love to do that with my shoes. Sidewalks are gross, so machine washing them is perfect. And again, super on trend right now. The sneakerinas are everywhere, and these retail for $159. Again, you'll get 10% off with my code. The designer sneakerinas, they're like $1,000. So if you want the look for less, this is a really good option. They also really kindly sent me a couple pairs of boots. So the first pair is called the Philippa boot. Now I think these are perfect for like walking around the city. I saw somebody wearing them in Paris and they looked amazing. Let me just take them out. I got them in this gorgeous chocolate color. Now the great thing about these boots is, can you see, the material is stretchy. So if you are a person that has larger calves like me, very muscular or whatever, it can be a struggle to find a knee-high boot that actually fits your calf. Again, these are stretchy, so they're designed to fit a range of calf sizes. This material is also a very like heat retaining material, so they're nice and warm for winter. Inside they have a honeycomb cushion insole, so they're very comfortable to walk in, and they're designed to provide arch support, which is really important for your foot health. And then they're also water repellent, so that's always nice, especially in the fall and winter when it could be, you know, the weather can be a little wet. Now, packing wise, they're also great because you can fold over the boot like this and it just fits nicely into your suitcase. And then finally, the third pair I got are really cool because these are like 2-in-1 shoes. These are called the Rita boots. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up as well. And okay, so this is part of the boot. And then, let's see. So this is the first way that you can wear them. How great is a little booty like this? It has a pointed toe, so it's just like that elegant, like date night, winter fall date night kind of boot. And then you have a little kitten heel as well. And then this is the really cool part. So they come with like these leg warmers, and I'm gonna have mod shots on the screen of these so that you can have like a better visual. But you can convert this into like a very fashionable knee-high boot. And I just think that they look so like sexy. I don't know. I love this. And also great, I mean, like I mentioned earlier, it's a 2-in-1 shoe, so you can get, you know, different looks for the price of one. And again, it's like that warm, stretchy material, so they, you know, fit very nicely. So my essay did give me a few goodies in addition to the charm when I was in store the other day. So of course I got something gift wrapped, and then she gave me this really pretty card that, you know, if you are getting a gift for somebody and you want to include a pretty gift card with it. Isn't that so pretty? I just thought that was absolutely lovely. They always do like really nice touches like that. And then this is this year's Beauty Camellia. Isn't that beautiful as well? It's just like a dark blue sparkly camellia, and then on the back it's the sticker. She gave me a couple of these, and honestly she gave me a really good idea. She said that a lot of people like to glue like a little pin on the back of this so that you can make like your own, you know, brooch, which I thought was a fun idea. I've never tried that, but maybe we will try that in another video. What do you guys think? And then she also gifted me a cute little mirror, so let's go ahead and open that up. I thought this was so cute. It's just like a black little mirror, and then it says well, it has a logo here at the front, and then at the back it says Chanel Beauté, which I thought was a fun touch. It made me think of the mirrors from a couple years ago that we bought and were so popular. And then inside, it's just a double-sided mirror, which I thought was really sweet of her. So thank you so much. I thought that was very sweet of her to give me all of those goodies. So let's go ahead and unwrap this gorgeous gift set. So on the other side, you will see that color, the lighter gift wrapping paper that I was talking about, because it is double-sided. I want to see if I can open this gently. Okay, luckily it is nice and thick paper, so when it's like that, you do get to tend to like open it up without ripping it. But here's that lighter color gift wrapping, and she let me choose which side I wanted it. I really liked this side a lot. This one is pretty, but I just feel like the gold stands out a lot more on the navy blue. And since I was just getting one thing wrapped, that's what I wanted to get wrapped. Although it would be really nice to have a tree full of dark blue and like white, cream colored gift wrap. That would be nice. So again, just the same beautiful gift set that we've seen before. The camellia, all the gift sets have the camellia charm on the zipper pull from what I've seen. I haven't seen anything with anyone with the comet, so if you want the comet, then you will have to select that as your charm. I think it's kind of fun to have both of them. So you know, maybe if I go back, I can get the other one, or if I place an online order, I can have both. But this one is really cute as well. I did a poll to see which charm you guys preferred, and you overwhelmingly preferred the camellia over the comet. So let me know if you've gotten that charm. Now the first item in this gift set is the Texture Riche hand cream. This one is going to be the richer texture version. I have the original version, so I want to compare the two. But this hand and nail cream enriched with camellia is a rich texture, intensely nourishes, protects, and illuminates. It's a fast absorbing formula with a velvety finish. This is always a winner as a gift on its own. So in the gift set, I think it's great. And then it's the classic little egg shape bottle, which you know, again, classic, iconic. I do also like that the gift sets for Chanel include things in the box and not loose like the Dior ones. The Dior ones, the items in there are kind of, well, at least for what I got, the items didn't have the box. Like I got the set with the lip glow and the hand cream, not in the box, and I kind of didn't really like that, especially when you're giving it as a gift. It made it feel like, oh, what if it's already open, or they think I opened and took the items out? But, you know, so I didn't really appreciate that, but I do like how obviously these come in the box. The second item in this gift set is the nail polish in the shade 111 Ballerina. This is just a very, very light pink, subtle manicure shade. If you want like a very natural looking manicure, this is a great polish to choose. And the third item in this gift set is the Rouge Coco Balm in the shade Dreamy White. This is the transparent shade. It's a very satiny, hydrating lip balm. So another nice little gift to give someone. You know, this will definitely get some use. Then I did get something else that actually surprised me, and I was not thinking that I was going to pick these up this year. But first of all, she gave me some great little goodies. So I got the Lift eye cream. I love these samples, and every time I'm there, I always try to get like something from Le Lift or the Sweet Plumage line because I love it, and it is pricey. So when you have these little samples, you get to enjoy them for free. And this is the #1 de Chanel. This is the serum, which is also really nice. And then I also got the #1 de Chanel Creme Riche. I love this one as well. This is a great one. There is a gift set with the #1 product in them. So if you love this #1 line, that's a great gift set to pick up. But let's go ahead and let me show you what I got. So this is what I picked up, and she gave me another fun little holiday sticker. So it's not the full camellia, it is flat, but like look how pretty that is. So definitely something else that I'm going to keep in my little camellia collection. And then inside of here is going to be one of the 9-pan eyeshadow palettes, and I was not expecting to pick them up. And then when I kind of was leaning towards getting one, I got a different one than I originally planned. So I thought I was going to get the Daring Muse, but I ended up going with the Space Traveler. And oh my god, in person, I just thought they were so pretty, and I wasn't, again, totally sure if they were something that I would go for, but I said, you know what, why not, Laura? Why not? Let's go for it. The 9-pan palette, I picked up Space Traveler. So there were some colors in here that I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't too sure about, but I don't know, when I swatched them in the boutique, they were really pretty, especially that blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all of these for you. And this is the white shade. Let's go right here. Next, I'm gonna swatch this gorgeous purple. And then this color right here, it's like a chartreuse yellow green kind of goldy color. So let's see what that looks like. Now this next color is a matte, and it's one of like there's like, okay, so there's 3 mattes in this pan. Everything else does kind of have like a shimmer, and it's very neutral. So here you go. It's like a very coppery, pretty, earthy tone. Now I'm gonna go in with this really pretty blue. This is like the showstopper, I think, of the whole pan. Look at that beautiful blue. And then here is the swatch. How pretty is that? So, so, so pretty. I'm also gonna do, when I'm done swatching these, I'll do like a natural light. Next is this other purpley blue shade. And I think that's really pretty. There is a lot of fallout though. Some of them are swatching a bit chalky, like when I first do that. So this is like a very dark midnight blue kind of color. And let's put that right here. Okay, so the next color is going to be our second matte in the palette, and it's this brownie color. There you go. Wow, that one's great. I really like that one too. Finally, we have, well, not finally, second to last, we have this goldy color here. It's like a marigold. Swatch that right next to there. And then finally the black. We'll see if this is patchy or how smooth this one is. It's the black. A little bit patchy. What do you guys think? So here are the shades in Natural Light. The shades that I bought this for, those blues, that gorgeous purple, that beautiful white, are the shades that I really like and it's still love after all these swatches. That black is just very patchy. Let me know what you guys think of this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and play around with it this week and create some looks and then maybe do some shorts with those for you guys. But if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. There's a new hype down there that you can do if you really like this video. I would really appreciate it. It will help boost my videos in the algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'll go ahead and link everything in this video down in the description below, as well as that Vivaia discount code. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.